Hello everyone. I'm going to show you today how to perform a factory reset using a code in only 1 to 3 minutes. Okay, let's get started. All you have to do is grab your phone and dial star hash 1 2 3 4 5 hash. Okay, as soon as I press hash, look at what my phone says: input password. Okay, now here the password we shall use a default password for most mobile phones for this Itel brand, Tecno brand, and other types. You see, mention them. Comment your phone brand down there, and we shall see which default password works in there. Okay, for this case we shall use 1 2 3 4 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, so all you have to do is come here and click OK. Press this to click OK, or press the middle button here to click OK. So you see what the phone says: restore factory settings. You see? Yes. So I'll go on and say yes by clicking here, the same upper button on your left, the top left. Okay, yeah. Or I'll click in the middle here to say yes. Okay, for this case I'll press in the middle here and say yes. Now as you can see, restore going on. Now you'll wait for only something like 20 seconds for this phone to power on back by itself. You see, let's wait for this phone to come back. Let's wait. Okay, it can take between 20 seconds to 30 seconds to erase every data to perform a factory reset. As you can see, it has now come back. Wow, I like that song. So after that, go on and select the language. If you're in France, select French. Portuguese, I don't know about that. Arab, is this Arab? Swahili, yes. If you are within East Africa, you select Swahili, and then look at that language. Wow, I love that. So here there are only 5 languages, about 6 to 7 languages: English, French, Portuguese, Arab, Swahili, Hausa. You see? Now in this case I'll press English because I'm more interested in English. Yeah. Okay, press English, and when I press English, you see my phone is now brand new. I had some messages in here in my inbox, but when I check, they must be gone. You see? Yeah. So alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Endeavor to subscribe to this channel. It's called Latest Solution. Bye bye.